Oh my God, Michelle Arceo ng Pilipinas finished second runner-up during Reina Hispano-Americana 2024 Final Coronation Night. Narito ang video ating panoorin.
Video Coneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.